Don't worry, there's only an egg. It's going to do no harm.
You don't know what oh, he's a funny man. I want to marry him.
It's just an egg.
No, he's a boy.
Just get started by saying it's an egg. Every single time. For people that don't know what she's on about, it's Karl Pilkingtons. This is on Facebook.
No. Oh. It's a bat. Oh, I'm crying.
She got up at 10.
Okay. Oh, the one eye that has mascara on is running. Oh. Can you imagine him standing there and doing that?
Doing what, something? You probably laughed at that joke more than anyone. More than Karl Pilkington himself.
This is a funny joke.
Oh, we haven't actually got any eggs. I was going to do the joke.
In the cupboard.
Do it. Do it.
Does any of the audience speak English? And now, for the magic trick of all magic tricks. Ready? It's a bird! Bird is unborn yet! Round of applause, please.
That's 3 minutes of laughter at the moment.
You used to do that at school. Every single time. We started by talking about learning. I think we've done that, lad.
My stomach hurts. Oh man, I look rough.
Dad, we're done.